We're gonna put about 10 of these cast iron skillets. These are about 15 inches in diameter, like this. And we'll see what happens. Leave in the comment, what do you think before we shoot it? How many of these is gonna take to stop a minigun? What do you think, Jasper? We're gonna have 10 in there, that's 8.
Probably go through 5.
5?
Destroy 5.
What if it destroys all of them?
Wow.
That's gonna be impressive. 2 more cast iron skillets. This will make it 10. That's perfect, they're in the corner, they're not gonna go anywhere. Ooh, this is gonna be kind of dangerous.
Yes. And thanks to Gasparito
for recording this.
Ay, cabrón, yeah, alright. Let's go.
This thing is so mean. I don't even know if the camera like justifies how cool this thing is. It's cool. Just take my word for it. Okay, you ready? Oh, look at these guys. They're all hiding. I was like, wait, where did everybody go?
Hey, where's
Jasper, you want to shoot this thing?
No.
Are you sure? There's that little piece of wood in my way, but it's probably not going to make it.
I know.
Okay, motor's on. All right, fire in the hole, Jasper. Oh yeah, I hit it pretty good. I see the hole right in the center. Not bad at all. I'm proud of myself, I guess, at this point. Okay, so that was about 100 rounds downrange. Let's see what happens. Jasper, how many do you think it went through?
Probably, let me see, 5.
You think so?
Yes.
I don't know why, but I want to say all of them.
You
I
think?
mean, that's a minigun, you know? The best, most deadliest weapon in the world.
Oh, and you hit that wood too. Watch.
Oh, I did destroy this little skinny one. I was wondering if I was gonna hit it.
No, that one, the other one.
Was it this one?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, this is the one I hit. Oh man.
Yeah, all.
Did it go through all? Yeah. Went through all of them. So here's the first one. And again, that minigun shoots 7.62 by 51 for your information. Second one. This is the third one, gone completely. The third and fourth are stuck together here. There they are. There's the third and the fourth.
No, wait, the fifth one. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, wait, that's part of that.
Oh.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, yeah,
this
5.
Is 5.
That's it, the other one is good.
5, 6, 7. Some of them stop on the 7, but it continued on the edge on this one. 8. Oh no, it's going in. It's even on the thicker side. 9, 10. Okay, that is impressive. 10 cast iron skillets will not stop a minigun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Let's go clean up this nest.
Okay.
Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star.